Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to show you how to change your signature in Gmail. So first you're going to click on the settings right here, then see all settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we see signature. So we changed our address, so we're going to go ahead and click to remove that one there. And then make sure you click down below your name or wherever you want to insert your signature. You're going to insert image. You would go to upload here, select a file. This file is located under Halo Inc. logo, and then we're using the 3767 file. So we would insert it like that, and that is obviously way too big, so you click on it, and then we're going to just select large. And that looks good, so we're going to save changes. And now if we were to create a new email, we are now using the new signature.